Chapter 3, Tutorial 1. Let's open the new file. Change the name c03tut1. Invoke the direct create sketch tool and select XZ plane. Select the profile tool. Draw the outer profile starting from here. One, that is the first line. This is the second line. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now from the geometry constraint, select make equal and click the radio button equal length and select the curve number 1 and curve number 2 and you apply. Similarly, we are going to give the equal length between line 8 and 6. This is line number 8 and line number 6. Say apply. Similarly, 6 and 2. Say apply. Similarly, 2 and 12. This is 2 and this is 12. Apply. 12 and 8. The 12th curve and 8th curve is already equal. Similarly, 3 and 11. 3 and 11. 9 and 5. Select the ninth curve and fifth curve. Say apply. 10 and 4. 10th curve, 4th curve. Apply. Next, exit the dialog box. Now we need to make the sketch symmetric about horizontal and vertical datum axis. Select the make symmetric tool. Select the motion curve or point. Select the line 2. And select the stationary curve line 12. Now we need to select the symmetry line. Select the vertical axis and say apply. Similarly, make line 1 and 7 symmetric about horizontal axis. Select the motion curve 1. Select the stationary curve tool, select the symmetry line, horizontal axis, and say apply. So now our sketch is symmetrical about horizontal and vertical axis. Now invoke the rapid dimension tool. Select line number 1 and place the dimension. Now double click on the dimension. So edit this dimension to 80 mm. So say yes. Select the line number 2 and edit the dimension to 10 mm. Similarly, select line number 4 and enter 30 as the dimension. Select line number 5 and enter 15 as the dimension. Now we have drawn the outer loop. Invoke the rectangle tool and select from center option. Start from the origin. Like this in the horizontal axis. Click here and then make a rectangle. Now start using rapid dimension. And give 20 as the vertical dimension and 30 as the horizontal dimension. Press enter. Now finish the sketch. Save the sketch and close selected part. C03 tutorial 1. This completes chapter 3 tutorial 1.